Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So the kids and I, we are in the kitchen again. It's late, it's about 9 p.m. at night. I had every intent to get some stuff done earlier during the day, but I did not. So yesterday I traveled to preach, and I taught Titus 2 in the morning, and then I traveled to preach down in Supply, North Carolina, which was really good. That video is up on the channel, just in case you haven't seen it. So we're doing one quick project, actually. I went to Sam's and got some prep, so I have a video for that. But above this microwave, we have this cabinet up here. This used to be full of cookbooks. We took everything out of the cookbook, all the cookbooks out, and put them in the garage. We only keep out the ones that we really use a lot, and we can go get them if we need to. What I want to do is make some room on this counter because I've got a new air fryer coming and I got to make room. So this is my baking station, right? Everything in here deals with baking. My KitchenAid, I want to be able to put that underneath the cabinet here. You can't really see that. But I keep all of my glass dishes, like casserole pans and stuff down there. But we don't make casseroles and stuff a lot. So I'm going to move most of the things that we don't use all the time. Like all the Christmas, we have special Christmas pans that we make like different little cakes and things. So I'm going to put that above here and clean this whole part out so I can get the KitchenAid down there. And then that'll free up this whole counter space. I'm not a counter person where I like a lot of things out. I don't like things out. I like everything in somewhere. So the kids and I, we're going to do real quick, get those things done very quickly because it is time to go to bed. I actually have to read my chapter 4, Daughters of Grace, tomorrow. So I'm going to do that. But anywho, I'm going to set you guys up on a tripod, get this done very quickly. All right, you guys, so we have gotten the KitchenAid off of the counter, which is helpful. It didn't exactly turn out the way I thought it would, but it's still done. We've got the KitchenAid down here now. We can pull it out if we need to. We've moved some of the Christmas pans and different things there. And then we have the ones we use the most often on the top. What I did end up doing was up here, put some of the ones that we don't use as often, right? And we'll just pull those down as we need. I had originally planned that to be storage for additional preps, but we need that space for what is there now. We did go ahead and get all the groceries put up, except these few little pieces I'm gonna find space. And then I got the stove wiped down, counters wiped down. We got the dishes out with the exception of this one. We had some meat out that we needed to cook, but I'm doing cabbage soup this week. So I went ahead and cooked it, cooled, and froze it again. It's just some ground beef. We'll use it for one of the cabbage soup days. Jackson will put those dishes up in the morning, but we pretty much have the kitchen squared away and cleaned. Fly Lady, shine your sink, all the things. So I've got some reading to do. I went ahead and put my jammies on. I am going to get my reading done, maybe do a little bit of work, answering comments and different things like that. But there it is. Just take 5 or 10 minutes. It took us longer than that, but that's only because we're filming and trying to move the camera and blah, 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 you know. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but if you don't have filming, you can take 5, 10, 15 minutes. I usually do a 15-minute quick clean. The kids vacuumed both the floors, the main floor, and in my bedroom. Those floors got done. I didn't get my laundry put up, but I'll do that tomorrow. And if not tomorrow, Tuesday. So we'll get it done, but we do a little bit here, a little bit there, and it makes the workload so much less. So anywho, you guys, there it is. If you liked the video, be sure and thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. For all my new subs, so glad to have you here. I'm seeing like a ton of comments that I missed, so I'm trying to go back and at least heart everything. I do reply to some things. I can't reply to everything because I missed like a ton of stuff. But I was traveling yesterday, and you know, when I'm traveling, I'm focused on the task at hand, which was going to deliver that word. So anywho, thank you guys again so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.